In this video, we'll be talking about how the market has performed for today, and also we'll be talking about Nifty IT, Nifty FMGC, and also Nifty Bank Index as well. So watch the video till the end to get all the information, and please note this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, so today the Nifty 50 has opened at 23,949 by 0.41% up. Yes, it was a bit of a gap up opening, and after the gap up opening, the market continued its rally movement and it has gone up. And the highest movement what it has touched for today is around 24,008 24,189 is the highest point what it has touched for today. So that level has acted as a resistance level, and after touching that level, you can see here the Nifty has come down till almost 24,106, and later it has consolidated and it has closed around 24,121 for today by gaining 1.15%. So this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for today, as you guys can see here. And also guys, if we see it in daily time frame, we can see here almost 23,900 level was acting as a bit of a resistance level from last couple of days. So today we can see here that resistance level has given a breakout. Okay, and today the market has gone above that resistance level, which is 23,900 above, and it has closed today at 24,125 for today. So let's see how the market will perform in the upcoming days. Okay, and also guys, if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies and want to improve your knowledge and skills, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen for more educational purpose. Okay, so now let's talk about Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank has made new highest point. Okay, so all time high. So today's highest point what it has touched around 55,461 is an highest point. So around 55,440 was a previous day highest point which has done, and later it has given breakout for today. We can see here how the Nifty Bank has performed. So it has gone in a bullish way for today. So after touching 55,461, it has taken a resistance, and from there it has come down. So it has made a key support level somewhere close to 55,235 for today, and it has closed at 55,295. Okay, so this is how the Nifty Bank has performed for today. So please note this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, and now let's talk about the other indices. So today all the indexes were in a gaining side as the market has gone up, but Nifty FMGC is the one index which has closed in a losing side for today by minus 0.96% down. So this is the Nifty FMGC chart, as you guys can see here. So from the opening itself, it has come down today. You can see here it was a big fall today, and later it has tried to take a support around this level, but that support was not held strong. So it was in a range bound section. So from this point to this point it was just fluctuating, and later even this support level was also given a breakout at the end of the day, and it has made a low till here, and it has closed around 56,158 for today. Okay, so this was in a losing side for today. So now the next indices is Nifty IT. So Nifty IT, which was in a bit of a bearish way from last couple of days, so today we can see here it has given a breakout on its one of a major resistance level which we had around 34,200 level. So it has given a breakout, and today it has gone up. So the highest point what it has touched for today is around 34,529 to 530 level, somewhere around there it has touched. Okay, so today the Nifty IT index has gone up by 2.29% up. So overall this is how the market has performed today. So this was how the market movement was there for today. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.